This video is to explain how to make a bolt with a thread. It can be used as video guide for you to make the bolt of the exercise 3. But the video doesn't give you a right dimension. You need workout dimension yourself based on the existing part and the dimension of the hoist assembly. To decide the length of the bolt, the length of the thread, and chamfer, etc. To make a bolt with a thread, we first use extrude to make a cylinder. We use circle by center point to draw a circle. This dimension is not the same as your assignment. It's just for the demonstration purpose. If I put 20 here. All right. Then I can extrude. Click close sketch, extrude to the 3D part. If I put 100 here. Okay, that is the rod of the bolt. Then we can click on finished. After you have the rod, then you can use this command. It's called the thread under the hole icon. Click that one. You don't need to worry about that thing. You just need click on OK. Then you can move to the cylinder. Click. Then you can move, as you can see here, you can move to the edge of the cylinder. Click. And you can move to here to click on the finite value. Here, you can input the length of the thread. For example, put 20 here. So you have the length of 20. The thread start from the end of the rod. You can do the same on the other end. Then you can put the same length and then press enter. So now you have a rod with a thread on its two ends. Again, you need to work out the dimension for your bolt yourself based on the components already exist, as well as the hoist assembly, to make a sensible figure to fit for the assembly. That's it for this video.